Honey, can I ask you a question? It's about the children. I want them to come and live with us.
No, they are not my responsibility.
But you're them stepfather.
Step your claw through my door.
But after them, one father don't want to look after them.
And you expect me to? Is that fair? Eh? Is that answer me?
No.
I didn't hear you.
I said no.
So why the backside you pressuring me to look after another man's sperm? Eh? Why?
Well, how you have to take the calf to dog?
Ah! Baby, you not ready.
So what am I supposed to do?
What you ask me for? I mean to breed you? I mean breed you? Eh? What? Hey! Keep out of this, it don't concern you.
How you expect me to feel, eh? How you expect me to feel? Every day you walk up and down with your children and picture in your pocket. How you expect me to feel?
I don't give a backside how you want to feel. I'm married pick to them. Me walk with them if I want to. I can't walk with them, picture them frame a whole album if I want to. That's not for me them.
Listen, he's not wrong. If your boss don't want to step up as a stepdad, a film business, the man said if he step out. To be honest, when you're a step parent, you get attached to that child. And if you and that person break up, you're gone with the parent. And you have to detach from that child. And if you invest money in that child, all your money gone. Cause that pitney have no ties to you. I'm just saying, but this shit was funny.
Yeah. No more.
Rasta said, not another drip of rum. Cause I'm not gonna video me asleep on the ground.
What's the best nationality of men would you like to date?
I love my Jamaican men, but they're just super toxic.
Real bad man.
And of course, is the final toxic boss, Ninja Man. Real toxic. 22 kids, 23 baby mother. All I'm gonna say is Jamaica is not a real place. So I guess Jamaicans, we're not real.
We're thinking about the human brain. And I'm saying, how can the brain remember that it forgets something and cannot remember what it forget?
Yo, that's a good question. That makes sense. Think about it.
Celebrity they say you think you look like?
Well, a Drake or a Kanye West.
Alright. Who you think him look like?
Well, you see him now. him have a cross look between Marcus Garvey and Paul Bogle. Him tough face. So who him think him look like?
Him you say him look like Drake or Kanye West?
Huh? No, sir. Then if him look like Drake, how would Drake look like? Him don't even look like 50 Cent.
Boss, you look like a Drake. Drake or Draco? Which one? Come on, brother. Yo, the lady not easy, you know. The lady need her own little sitcom. She have a little buzz. I like her.
Oh, say lift up. Yeah. Alright, turn back now. Yeah. Easy now. Easy, man. Yo, go easy, man. Now go up the side, remember? Yo. Alright, go easy. Yo.
I'm trying to test you. You just must spit out.
No, man, you're mad, man. Easy, man. Yo, mix me one pity dog.
Listen, me I take serious thing, turn joke, but big man and big woman level. Me not sitting on no car, I mean no girl, no boy drive me like this. You crazy? Let me out. Let me out. Hey, listen, he might not be her father, but I'm sure she's calling him daddy. Then you sprinkle a little sugar on it. Do me a favor, like this video, leave a comment in the comment section, share this video, subscribe to the channel. Bless.